So now let's see how we can insert page number inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here and create a new document first. So I'm just going to go around over here, and let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and have 10 pages of this design document right here. So now you can see that I got different pages right here, and let's say what I want is I want to add in page number over here somewhere. In that case, you can go around over here onto layout section right here, and here you can see that insert page number is an option. So you can insert page number on the active layer, on all pages, on all odd pages, as you can see right here. If I were to say active page, then it will insert out a page number around over here, but on other pages there won't be any page numbers, as you can see right here. Let me just go around over here onto Windows, and then I'm going to go around onto Dockers right here and go to pages right here, and then change around the page view right here, and here you can see the page number. So now I'm going to go around over here onto the second page, and then I'm going to go around over here onto let's say, for example, onto layout right here and go to insert page numbers, and I'm going to go around and select all pages now. So once you go around onto all pages, now you can see the page number around over here inserted in all pages, as you can see right here. So now what you can do is you can go around over here and resize out the page number and then place it wherever you want, as you can see right here, just like this. And these are individually editable, as you can see right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here. So this is the page number that I inserted earlier. But if I were to go around over here and resize now right here, just like this, or place it wherever I want, you can see that it is actually linked with the other page numbers right here, and all of the other page numbers gets changed as well. You can change around the type of the font right here, just like this as well, and the page number changes for all of the pages. Similarly, you can also go around over here onto layout and insert page number on all odd pages or all even pages as well. If I were to go around onto page number setting, then you can see that the start number is there. So I can go around and start at number 3 right here, and it starts at number 3, as you can see right here. If I were to go around over here onto this, you can start on page 1 or start on page 3 only, as you can see right here. And first two pages don't have any page numbers right here. So let's just go around onto page number settings. I'm going to do both as one, and you can change around the style of the page number as well. Let's say, for example, if I were to go for Romanized style and press OK, then you can see that these are all Romanized style page numbers right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and utilize page numbers inside of Corel Draw. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.